In the last video, we have seen lots of examples of how a signature can help you strengthen your relationship and build your network. This is a tutorial video on how to design and create a compellingly clickable storytelling signature. When I usually send a proposal to a new client, I use such signatures, whether they open the PDF document or not. Such cool signatures will summarize the content and speak a lot about us. If you are sending your resume or CV to a recruiter, such signatures will communicate a lot about you. Remember, all resumes look the same if you are a fresher, and such signatures will differentiate you. For this, you need a GIF maker, which can be done using your cell phone or any GIF maker website. We will also be using Google Doc, Canva website for basic designing and aligning text and images. So let's get started. First of all, download the social media icons as required. Try to get all the required elements in one place or say one folder for easy access. To make the GIF, I will be using my cell phone. It's very convenient and easy to use. For this, edit the picture dimensions in 1:1 ratio and save it. Please select the required images and convert them into a GIF. Check the speed setting and save it. Your GIF is ready. Transfer that to your laptop. You may also use canva.com to make appealing signature banners. Open Canva. Select relevant dimensions like email header, or you may use a custom dimension too. Let's go ahead with the email header and start creating some cool signature banners. Adding frames or grid to place images equally. Upload the GIF pics created using cell phones. Add the images from the upload to the grid. Add captions and text if required on the image. You may also search the elements section to get relevant GIFs or images for use. And now download the file to your local drive. Save it in the GIF format. Moving to the next step, open your Google Drive and click the new Google Sheet. Rename the sheet accordingly. Click Insert and then Table. Select 2x4 table grid. Click Insert Image and select Upload from Computer. Resize the image as required. The easier way is by using the Image Options tab. Upload the rest of the social icons. Copy paste the hyperlinks from your social media account. Click on the icon and select the Insert Link button. Add the account link and click Apply. Add the GIF banner and adjust the size. add text. You may change the font size or font color as per your brand identity. Select the table and change the border color to white. Your signature is ready to be added in your Gmail account. The table helps you to align content easily. See more examples. Copy this table for a while. Now open your Gmail account setting and click See All Settings. Scroll down to the signature section. Create a new signature and paste the table copied from Google Doc. You may do some changes here if required. You can also paste the GIF, PNG images directly here. As discussed in the Google Doc, using a table is a convenient way to design signatures which is not available here. You may have a different signature for new email use and on reply forward use. You may also use an apt signature for vacation responder. If you're using Office Outlook, it provides you with the option to have different signatures in and outside the organization. It's time to check the signature. Let's compose a new mail and check the signature. Isn't that wonderful? Do check out the previous video to learn different email signature ideas for relationship building and networking. It will surely boost your creativity and attract opportunities. Remember that values are demonstrated and not spoken. Such signatures will demonstrate more about you, your uniqueness and values. So why not make it a creative, communicative and memorable one? A winning, well-designed email signature should have a compelling, clickable story in it.